Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hulu with live TV on iPad, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your iPad and locate the App Store icon. Tap on the App Store to launch it. In the bottom right corner, tap on the Search tab. Type Hulu into the search bar at the top of the screen. From the search results, find the Hulu app and tap on it. Once on the Hulu app page, tap the Get button to download the app. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your iPad. Once installed, locate the Hulu app icon on your home screen. Tap on the Hulu app to open it. When the app opens, you'll see the option to log in or create an account. If you are a new user, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. After entering the required information, tap Next. You'll be asked to choose a subscription plan. Select Hulu with live TV from the available options. Review the details of the plan you selected. Tap Continue to proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment information as prompted. Make sure to double-check your details for accuracy. Once you have filled in the payment information, tap Submit. Your account will now be set up, and you'll receive a confirmation. You can now start enjoying Hulu with live TV on your iPad. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.